I keep coming back to this idea that sometimes what we call losing ourselves isn't really loss. Sometimes it's hiding. Sometimes it's years of self-protection slowly turning into self-concealment. And I don't mean that in a condemning way. I think for a lot of us, the hiding began, honestly, it began for a reason. Because something in us felt tender, or too bright, or vulnerable, or too exposed. And we weren't sure if the world knew how to hold it gently. So we covered it. Not because it wasn't real, not because it wasn't beautiful, but maybe because it was.